Hey, everybody. Debbi Starr here. I'm your business strategist for those midlife women, entrepreneurs, creatives, educators. You're ready to simplify, scale, and finally get your time back in your business. Now, I get it. Most of us are single entrepreneurs. We don't have a huge, team on the back end, but you're doing everything yourself. If that's you, let me know in the comments. You're creating the emails, trying to post content every day, onboarding clients. I get it. But here's the secret. It doesn't have to be that hard. And today I'm going to share 3 powerful tools that I'm using to run my business. I use them all the time. And it looks like I've got a team behind me and I don't. So stay tuned and watch how I use these because it's perfect, whether you're a coach or creative, whatever it is. The idea is let's not work harder, but let's be more efficient. Now, the first thing that I'm going to talk about, and you're probably already using it, ChatGPT. There's all kinds of AI tools out there, but they're all advancing at like a speed race. But ChatGPT, it is awesome. I use it. If you use another one, that's fine. But basically, anything I want to start working on, I have ChatGPT open and we just get to work. So for instance, maybe I'm going to send an email, a weekly email to my list. What I do is I actually create my email first. I don't let ChatGPT write it. I write it. I come up with, I kind of ruminate on this all through the week. What can I share with my people to help them move their business? And then I will paste that into ChatGPT and ask it to tweak it. The important thing is I tell ChatGPT what flavor I'm going after. So the last email, and I'll share my screen here in just a minute. The last email I said, I'm thinking of offering something new, which I'll show you here in a second. And I want this newsletter or this email to be story-based. I want people to feel connected. So I'm sharing some personal things that's happening in my life. And then I have a specific call to action. I want to introduce this new offer. S'mores sales summer camp, and then I let ChatGPT do its magic, and then I kind of tweak it again. So let me share my screen, and I'll just show you kind of the back end of what I did. So here is, I'm inside of ChatGPT. Now, a super important thing to do, make sure that you create folders. So over here on the left, I have folders. And so I'm in the one that just is called emails. And the last one that I just did, if you're not on my list, make sure you get on my list because you're missing out on a lot of good things. Again, let me tell you, I first created my own email. Now, some people do the opposite. They'll have ChatGPT kind of do the groundwork and then tweak it. But in my mind, I knew what I wanted. So over here, all of this is just, I opened up a Google Doc and typed my email. Then I pasted it in here and I said, let me find the exact prompt. Up here, I'm telling it, I always start out by saying, make sure you review the history of everything about me, my offer. ChatGPT and all the AI tools are getting very sophisticated at remembering, but I always start off with that first so that I don't have to tweak that. And then I'm saying I want you to do 2 things. I want you to review this email, make it more engaging, enticing so people will want to sign up for it. And then I'm working on this new offer. And so I'm also saying, and come up with a name for my new offer. Then again, I just pasted that. So it's saying, great, let's do it. And so then it gives me some subject lines. And then here is the email that it rewrites for me. Okay. Does a much better job than what I could do. Let me come back here and talk to you for a second. It's my idea. It's my framework, but it's just tweaking it. It makes it so much easier. Then the second thing was we dug into the title of the offer that I was talking about. So that's the first thing that I like to use ChatGPT for. My weekly emails, and again, we could do a whole video series just on all of the different things that I'm using ChatGPT for, but hopefully that's a little bit of a twist for you. I kind of do it the opposite. Okay. Is that making sense? All right. Then what else do I do? Using the power of AI and everything else. Now, most of the tools that we're getting nowadays have AI kind of built into it. So, my favorite all in one marketing tool is my GoHighLevel. If you're new to using some of these platforms, I've got a link below that you can try it out for 14 days free. GoHighLevel. The reason I love it so much is everything is under one umbrella. Everything works together. You don't have to duct tape, use this, and all of that kind of stuff. And I have to tell you, if you're just getting started, I get it. Maybe you don't have any money at all. There are ways that you can bootstrap things and, use free things, but it's not going to take you very much time at all. You're going to start generating some business. And before you know it, you're going to have a Frankenstein business model. So it's better just to invest in one tool that is going to support the marketing, all of the marketing aspects of your business, because you need lead magnets, you need the email systems, the automatic follow-ups, things like that. So let me hop over and I will, if you're not new to my channel, then, you've seen some of these things before. But here we're looking at the back end of GoHighLevel. And I tell people this is a jet engine. It is so powerful. There's so many things. So when you first get started, you're probably feeling a little overwhelmed with things. I tell people just pick one thing. So down here in the middle, our sites. So this is where you build your funnels and your websites. Right above that is automations. And that's what I wanted to show you today and just talk about this. Automations are, so let's say I'm offering something and there's a link for people to sign up. Then what do you want to happen? Usually you send them the emails, all that kind of stuff. So people that join my Digital Business Academy membership, little plug for that. If you want hands-on support, eyeballs on your content, and actual tools that you will use in your business, you should think about joining my Digital Business Academy. But that's a little side point. I'll have the link below. So in this automation, I'm just going to quickly show you what happens behind the scene. The beautiful thing is you build it once and you're good to go. Now notice, again, most of the tools are building in AI support. So this particular tool, if you're new to using it, it will walk you through how to build a workflow. And what does a workflow do? In this instance, people that sign up for my monthly Digital Business Academy, the trigger or what starts it is when somebody goes through the checkout page and they purchase it. And then what happens? I get a notification saying, hey, somebody just purchased DBA. The system will tag them. The system will automatically give them access to the backend membership site. It will grant them the link to all of the courses, and then it will send them the email with all of the details. Now, let me come back here for a second because we're talking about how I use AI for my day-to-day business things. Let's say this was a lead magnet and somebody opts in. So the automation that I would build would be, would do the same thing. It would tag them, all that kind of stuff. Then it would send them that email saying, thanks for signing up. Here's the link, grab that, etc. Then with a lead magnet, you probably want some kind of a nurturing sequence. And so that nurturing sequence, maybe every other day, you'll send out an email, like a series of 5 emails, just introducing your services and other goodies. So again, all of that can be built on the back end with GoHighLevel, and it's automatic. And if I'm struggling with, well, what do I say in these nurturing emails? Guess what? You go back to ChatGPT and you say, okay, this is my offer, or this is the lead magnet. Help me come up with a nurturing. And again, I try to let ChatGPT know what's the intent, what flavor am I trying to talk to people about. And then we come up with a series of emails, and then I can just tweak them and go from there. Okay. Is that making sense? All right. So I'm loving it. So we're using ChatGPT to create these emails. We're using GoHighLevel and the automation and the built-in AI there to help us create all of these techie things. So you got to love it, right? And the nice thing is, as you're building your business, you'll constantly evolve, but these tools are the assets that you will use over and over again. So if you have a new offer, you can just clone that and then, tweak it. Then the second time, it hardly takes any time at all. Okay. Now, let me show you a third tool that I absolutely love, and it's called CastMagic. Now, I think I bought like a lifetime offer or something. But what I'll try to find the link. I don't know if the lifetime is still there, but I'm sure you can sign up for it. What I love about this is whenever I create my videos, then and I'll show you, I upload the videos, and then what it will do is it will create for me automatically the timestamps. It will create social media captions. It will create an email that I can send to people saying, just uploaded a new video, check here. It will create a newsletter copy. I mean, you name it, it will do it. All right. So let me show you that. So let me hop over here. And this is CastMagic. Now over here on the left, there's different kind of like, they're all kind of the same, but you can upload based on what it is. So I could upload my coaching sessions, and then from there have very specific like to-do list. It will generate all of that stuff for my clients, or if I'm creating a podcast, things like that. But here, YouTube videos. So here's all the YouTube videos or a video that I create that's going to be on my YouTube channel. And when I upload it, it will go through and it will automatically create the transcript. So you can see the transcript here, and I can edit it, do whatever I want. Then when I create or click on create content, it's already done it on this one. But what it will do is it will give me some suggested titles. Again, it knows that this is for my YouTube. So it's gearing things towards my YouTube channel. It will give me my YouTube keywords here. It will give me a description for my YouTube, the description here. It will give me the timestamps, you name it. I mean, how easy is that? And again, let me come back here and look at you. Again, the idea is it's our assistant who is the expert copywriter. It's our assistant who knows, what's happening. It's doing this research all the time. And so it's giving you kind of state of the minute, what's happening out there, and it's helping you. But now, like in the real world, you have an assistant you need to monitor, supervise. So you'll need to look at it, tweak it based on what you're doing in your business. Okay. So again, here's the deal. Instead of trying to do everything yourself, you need to embrace these tools. If you haven't started using ChatGPT and some of the other AI tools, just jump in. You can use the free version. Just start using them. Okay. If you want more help, you do need to think about joining my Digital Business Academy, because I am there with you, helping you every step of the way. And the key is not how many tools can we get, expert in, but what tools do you need for your business so that you can streamline things. Okay. We don't want to be spending hours on tech. So as a quick recap, use ChatGPT to help you write things faster, to get out of this content overwhelm. Use GoHighLevel to automate your business for all of your follow-ups, your lead flow, your bookings, all of that kind of stuff. And use CastMagic to take one piece of content, and video is the easiest. Even if you hate getting on in front of camera, just get over it. People don't care. Okay. It is the easiest way to create your content. And then CastMagic can just, pull things out and recycle and just help you automate all of this stuff. So these tools have helped me do lots of stuff. Looks like I have a big team, and I have a couple of VAs that I use on the side here and there. And then my good old AI is my team. So this is what's helped me to keep from burning out and to be able to generate things. If you are trying to automate or grow your business, or even if you're just starting out, reach out for a quick business analysis call, whatever I'm calling it right now. I can't remember. But anyway, I'm happy to just get on a Zoom chat with you, and let's just see what's happening in your business. If you want some support, basically in your pocket every day, then reach out and join our Digital Business Academy. We would love to have you there. As always, I am trying to grow my channel, so I'd love it if you hit the subscribe, share the channel with other people, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care.